Okay, I've just put this new bell hook on, and I put it on because this is the old one. I don't know whether you can see that. It's all ribbed pretty bad, damaged. So I've got a brand new one and put it on. Now, I've seen videos of people who put this on with a plastic sleeve, and I tried to use the plastic sleeve and it's just bending and bellowing. So I got this, which is a 1.5 inch tube. You really need sort of 40 mil to go over that. I think that's where the original Honda tool went on, to be honest with you. And then I've got 20 mil. Just put them on like that, and that. Put the bolt on, you know, put the nut on, tighten it up, and it takes one hell of a bit of effort to get it on. But if it manages to get it on, then put the circlip on. Now, when I got this one off, how I got it off was, you can get this contraption, which is, it's a bearing remover. Well, it actually comes in 3 parts. You get a little one, medium size, and a big one. And all you do is you get the big, you get these, which just unbolt, and you realign them like that. You see, you got the big one, medium one, and you screw them all in, bolt them all up, and then these claws are from the medium one, and that just fits in there like that, and you pull the older one off. It's really good. So this is my clutch, and you can see I've sanded these down, but there's still some of the marks that come off the other bell housing, but it's not bad. So this must have been, they must have renewed these, right, but kept the old one on. And with the old one going, you can see where it's been burning. See there, that blue. And so what happened was, I think with all the iron filings that have come off the old bell housing, it's got into the bearings there. So I've they were all craggy, they were awful. So I had to have new bearings put in by Wallasey Motorcycles. And so that one is a normal ball bearing, but this one is a needle roller. You see that needle roller, and that is a Honda part. So you've got to get that from Honda. So this would slide in like that, slide in like that. Okay. Oh, look at that, smooth as silk. That was going, it was horrible. So what we've got, another thing is when you're tightening this nut, this wants to turn like that. Now it says to put the handbrake on, but the handbrake just isn't no way powerful enough to hold. As you're torquing it up, it will not hold. So what I did was this is one of the crankcase bolts, goes in there, holds the crankcase on, so that will go through there, and then it locks, and then you can torque it on. So I'm going to now put this on, put some grease on it, get some grease on it, and then put a bit of lithium grease on here, lithium grease on there, just a smidgen, just a bit on the threads around. I've got to clean the bell, I've got to clean this bell housing up, give it a, get some thingy on. Anyway, should have brought me brake cleaner out. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Right, got some brake cleaner. You can see where I've got some grease on it there. You got to get that off. good. It's got no shine on it, so I think that might be okay. Slide this on, put a bit of grease on it, put a bit of grease in there, yeah. Put a bit of grease in the bearings. How much the Wallasey motorcycles put on it. I'll put a bit more. Oh, that's there's a bit of grease in there as well. Shoot that in there. Like that. And then it's just a matter of putting a nut in there. Torque this up to £40, I think. Let's see if I can do it on right, so is 30, 34, 6, 8, 40. Get it on the tighty, left the tighty, righty, tighty. Get there in the end. Should have my rattle gun out here. I don't know why I haven't really. Made this on this a hell of a lot easier. Actually, just go like that. And it'll go in, won't it? Oh, it's going the wrong way. Tighten up. Yeah. Have I missed a? I've missed a washer or something. Be back in a minute. Okay, I had to got that on there, torqued it up, but what I had to do is put the handbrake on and put the left hand brake lever, operate that, and that's torqued up now. You can hear it there. That's torqued up now. So the next one I'll talk about the variator, which is here, and that I'm going to put back on my old variator that I've got. This one is a Wallasey variator, and it was very sharp on takeoff, and I don't know whether that was to do because the clutch was in such bad shape, or the Wallasey variator is just it improves acceleration. But why you want to improve acceleration on this bike? Because it's like a cat out of hell. It can really accelerate fast. It's fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Wallasey off, which is just very simple. Just like this. We've lost one of those. These go in here. So it's these going here. So I've lost one of them, yeah. So it's just a matter of you take this off, and there's your rollers in there. And you see some of this, the engineering in this is pretty good, but I'm just going to stick with the normal one, to be honest with you. I don't think it'll be any difference, much difference, you know. So yeah, that'll be in another video. So bye bye for now, tatty bye. So this is the original variator now, going in. Give it a quick clean up. Make sure nice and clean. This is the Molossi again. I'm not going to chance it because it was really snatchy, you know, so I don't know whether it was, as I say, it was something to do with that or something to do with this. So I'm just going to stick with the original and see how it is. It's easy enough. You just got to take the crankcase off, and you know, you just pull it out, put this on, and Bob's your uncle, you know. Right, so I'll just go and get the belt. Right. Just get any oil on it and nothing. So this is the belt. I've measured it, and it all seems to be to spec. Now it says supposed to be arrow. Oh, here we are, arrows. That way. So this is the way to go. Take it round here. Round here like that. And then we get the outer, which is here. That way. Put it round there. Outer. Just to go. Put the bolt. God blimey. No harm done, doesn't it, like it? No harm done. So this goes on. And you get the bolt. Bolt it up. And then I'm sure you've seen videos on how to do these. People go like that or something. Okay, so I'll put the belt on, and I think that's it for the transmission. It was a hoot. You just got to put that on, through the belt. I mean, you can put it on by, you know, starting the engine, and it whizzes around and it all tightens itself up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this on how to repair your clutch. Here's a little look and what it was like. Ooh, look. It was horrible. Time filings, kill the bearings. So yeah, I'll be looking at maybe replacing me handbrake pads next. Bye bye.